Hi, this is Mrs. Doro, and today we're going to talk about naming binary ionic compounds. So by the time you get done with this video, you should be able to name an ionic binary compound. Okay, so what is a binary ionic compound? Well, binary, that prefix bi means two, so there's going to be two elements, but it's not just any old two elements. And an ionic bond is a bond between a metal and a nonmetal, or you've seen these words before, cation, and an anion. Okay, so it has to be between a positive and a negative. So you have to have a positive and a negative charge. When you look at the periodic table, I want you to remember the divider for all of your elements. You have the stairway. I'm going to try to draw it in a little one. This one doesn't have it, but there you go. All of these on the left, all of those are all metals. They all have plus charges. You'd already have that written on your periodic table. And all these have minus charges over on the right, all of your nonmetals. So remember, if it's from the left, if it's a metal, it's positive. If it's from the right, it's negative. It's a nonmetal. Okay, when naming compounds, you have to follow some rules. First thing is you're always going to write the complete name of the metal first. So you go to your periodic table and you find Na, which we know is sodium. So I'm going to write it completely sodium. And then I'm going to write the name of the nonmetal, but instead of writing chlorine, I'm going to go chlor, and then I'm going to drop the ending, that ione, and I'm going to add IDE. And that is going to be sodium chloride. Alright, so let's try magnesium. I know magnesium is a positive, magnesium, because it's on the left, and I is iodine. But instead of iodine, I'm going to drop that ione and I'm going to put iodide. So we have sodium chloride and magnesium iodide. Don't worry about that little 2 right there for now. You don't need to know what it means. It doesn't change your name. Just go with what the symbols mean. Okay, so now I want you to try these, and again, don't worry about the numbers, just worry about the names, and take a minute, pause this, and there's 4 for you to try. So really, I want you to pause it, and I want you to try it. Okay, so we're back, and here are the 4 answers. MgBr2 is magnesium bromide, Kf is potassium fluoride, FeO is iron oxide, and calcium phosphide for Ca3P2. Okay, so that's naming of binary ionic compounds.